Dear viewers, it is important you know that we are not doctors, and this video is not a substitute for your medical treatment. For any of your health issues and concerns, please make sure you consult with your doctor or a health professional. Thank you. Hi guys, you're welcome back to JK Media Production, where we bring you entertainment and education right into your homes. Now, if you're just joining us for the first time, you are welcome. We would love you to subscribe to our channel so that you see when we upload new stuff. And trust me, the stuff we upload, they are epic. You don't want to miss it. And if you're a returning fan, well, you're the real MVP. We appreciate you. Thank you very much for coming back. Today, we're going to be talking on something else quite similar, and I know it will interest my male folks. With me again is the MD CEO of NAWODE. NAWODE means the thing they work. Sharp. They work. NAWODE Herbal Mixtures. Mr. Damilare. Mr. Damilare, today we are going to be talking about low sperm count.
Okay.
What exactly is low sperm count?
Low sperm count is when a man is producing light sperm instead of thick sperm. You know, after doing the ejaculation, like doing the after sex, you notice that if you release, you notice that sometimes a man produce let me say release sperm, thick sperm.
Okay.
And sometimes you not begin to notice that let me say instead of thick sperm you are
becomes light.
It's light. You see that your sperm light. That means the sample of low sperm count. That means it's a watery sperm. It's watery instead of thick.
Okay.
So you need to like thick. So that is why. And if it's not thick enough, then I would say ability to produce a child is very low.
Okay.
So that's just it. Let me put it in quotes. So
okay. That's low sperm count. Okay, so basically, low sperm count is the inability of a man to produce enough quality sperm that can fertilize a woman's egg. Basically, that's what he's trying to say.
Yes, sir.
Any idea what causes low sperm count? Because you hear stories of men who were, it was good before, and then all of a sudden...
Yes, too much of sugar.
Oh, sugar?
Yes, it causes low sperm count. Yes, because too much of sugar, excess of something is causing a negative asset. This water we since, water is good in the body system, but excess of water, you feel that your stomach will be saying, be comfortable at that period of time. But excess of something is not really good. Too much of things, too much of food. Food is good, food is life. Yes, everybody know that. But too much of food. Like you are still eating. That's why sugar. So sugar is not as too much of sugar is not really good in the body system. So that is what causes low sperm count.
Okay, so basically.
And too much of stress itself. Too much of stress. Ability.
Oh, really?
Yes. Not to all those our immune system. Not to all those things. Just like car. Let me say a car that is you have been using, not resting, due to let me say to develop some faults.
Okay.
You understand? So this our system of it is. It's just like you have to maintain it very well.
Maintenance.
So
okay, so basically, our way of life will actually determine how healthy we become or how our organs function. I guess that's what simple English. I guess that's it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so. For my male folks who probably are having this dysfunction, we will want to know what we can DIY to cure this. What herbs do you have here that attack that dysfunction?
Very well. We have in Yoruba they call it they call it ogbolo. You can see this.
Ogbolo?
Yes, ogbolo. As it's long, it's easy to stew. You can see that. But it's just like you can see that. It's not a stick anyway. It's ogbolo.
Really?
Yes, it's
not
fresh one. Yes, and this is you can see that it's ogbolo. It is
I
It's work
hope
for
as a
low sperm
woman,
count.
as I touch and I no go get belly.
You know, just just do like this. Like this. You
I
can see
don't
that.
get-
It's easy
Ogbolo.
to
Sorry.
squeeze.
Ogbolo.
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 Yes.
So, my dear viewers, if there's any of you that know what this is in English, kindly put it in the comment section.
So you can see that ogbolo. So
Tinge power
now
shot.
this is how you made it. How you prepare it.
Is this the only thing that will be used?
Actually, you can see that. Yeah, it's although now it's going to add with this abere.
Oh, we
This
use
abere
abere
is
again.
work perfectly. It's work perfectly in body system. You can see.
Okay, so we still use
Yes,
abere.
yes.
We use this for weak erections.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
really? What of this? Is this part of it?
Actually, this is you are going to cut it small. It's not you are not going to use all. This half of it is part of it, but you are going to use half of it.
Just a bit of this.
Yes.
Okay, which other?
We call it adonigun.
Adonigun.
Adonigun. Adonigun.
Anyway, this one I know the name. It's called Aiden fruit.
The Aiden fruit.
Aiden fruit or prekes.
Yes.
So I know the name of this one. Okay, so what else? What else are we going to add?
So that is it, and that is simple of the low sperm count.
Where can they get this?
Anyway, they can get it maybe from the butcher or from village, or let me say they can get it across maybe in my place.
So is this thing planted?
It's planted and
you
it's big.
Plant it the way they plant.
Yes.
The way they plant ugu, abi, water leaf. They plant.
And now, the same way they are planting beans, macaroni, and all of that. The way they are planting it as well. Yes.
I never see this thing for my life before.
Then you can now how to peel it now. You can slide it with a knife.
Okay, so basically you're saying with the Aiden fruits and this ogbono likes abere. Yes, abere. And this very scaly ogbono.
Ogbono. It's easy to squeeze. You can see.
So
ogbono.
These three ingredients is what we are going to make use of in producing or curing low sperm count.
Yes.
Okay, so tell us, how does this work?
For example, now how to prepare it now? You can't just cook it like this, or you made it or soak it like this. So there's a peel. You know, if you want to prepare a yam, you know, you can't just prepare yam like that. You have to peel it.
Okay, so we peel the back of this.
You are going to peel the back of this. Once you peel it, this.
Now, sorry, Mr. Damilare.
Okay.
Is this the quantity that we are going to use?
No.
A small portion.
A small one. A small portion.
Can you cut the portion
yes.
So
like
that our
now.
viewers will know?
You can see.
Wow.
You can see it's fresh. You can see that. You can see it's easy to cut. You can see. It's easy to cut because it's flexible. You can see that. So you can. You are going to piece it like this. You see. You can see the way I'm peel it. You can see it's easy to peel. You can see that. You can see it's easy to peel. After you can see that. So you peel it from. So is what you need is this. Let me just. This is what you need. You can see that.
Oh, really?
You can see that.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Just this small quantity.
Yes, you can see.
Wow.
So now, and this what you need. This is a sample of what you need. So and you peel it the same.
It's a bit sticky.
You can see that, and it's you know, it's gummy like that. So this gummy of the thing, you know, is the new strength of that sperm. Oh. So we are going to peel this after you peel everything. So like this sample of it, you peel it and now put it inside plastic.
Okay, hold on, sir, so that we don't confuse our viewers. Hold on. Let me ask again. Now, for my man viewer there who wants to prepare this at home, is this the quantity he will use for
Yes.
This quantity?
Yes.
But he cuts it like this?
Yes. You peel it. Once you peel it and you cut it, after cutting it, they'll put inside the plastic. It may be ever plastic.
Okay.
Or ever bottled water.
Okay. So hold on, sir. Just to get clear. So I want to prepare this for my husband, for instance.
Yes.
No be say my husband get problem. I don't born children finish. I know they born again. Okay, so more. No, I don't want mom. Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, so I want to prepare this for my husband. I will take this quantity of obo. What do you call them again?
Ogbolo, yes.
I take this quantity of obolo.
Yes.
I will peel the back.
Yes.
Then I will cut it like this,
Yes.
and put inside ever bottle water.
Yes.
Okay, so guys, this is the quantity that will be needed, and this is the size you will dice it into. Okay, the quantity, the size you will dice it into, and place into a bottle of ever water.
Yes.
Okay, so after doing that, what next?
So after doing that, then you put it inside, and then this small of the things, you can see the way. Let me just cut it. This is adonigun. We call it adonigun. So you just cut. You cut it, or you can use your hand to cut it as well. You can see that it's flexible. You can see that. You can see that. So this is what you need.
Okay. So we use the whole of this.
Exactly. If you are immediately sample of this one, so this is what you need. You can see that. This is sample. So the sample, then you cut it in pieces, then you put it inside.
Inside this.
You first put it inside the bottle, the ever bottle. Then after the bottle, then you now put the abere.
Then, how many seeds of abere?
4.
Do we break this?
Yes, no, of course. You are going to break it. Once you break it, then you see the.
Oh, so guys, this abere has a skin.
So
when you peel out the skin,
yes,
then you see the seed inside.
Yes.
Oh, okay, it's making a lot of sense now. Now this is the actual. This is what the abere actually looks like. This is the abere seed.
So yes.
So do I break
no,
this?
You don't need to break it.
Oh, you just dip it like that.
Put it inside.
Oh, okay.
So once you put it inside and put this one inside, then you can put the ogbolo, the one we break, the pieces of this ogbolo. Then you put it
inside
once you
the
put
bottle.
it inside the bottle, then you put water. But make sure that the water is the distilled water, like
boiled water.
No, it's not normal water. Okay. You can buy the bottle of water and put it inside. Okay. Just make sure it's distilled. Okay. You understand?
Okay, so basically what he's saying is that you get a bottle of ever water, all right? Not be the one where you go fill for tap, not be the one where you go use pure water fill. Get a bottle of ever water. Now in that bottle, the first thing you insert are 4 seeds of abere. So you insert 4 seeds of abere. This is what the abere looks like after you have peeled off the back. After inserting the 4 seeds of abere, for this quantity of this obolo, you use this quantity of Eden fruit. You break this Eden fruit into smaller bits and put into the bottled water too. So remember, this goes in first, followed by this that you have dissected into smaller bits. You put in, then you can now insert your obolo that you have dissected into these sizes, and you put into the ever water or ever bottled water. I hope that is clear enough. So how long does it stay?
And then after that, then you put once you put water inside the waters, then after 24 hours you start taking it.
So you keep it. Can it be put in the fridge?
Of course, definitely.
You can put it in the fridge.
Yes, of course.
Is it supposed to? Because I know they get some kind of agbo where no they touch ground.
I know they touch because sometimes the ground they depreciate work, so you have to put it inside the fridge or on the top of the or something or table,
Okay, like so basically that your bottle that you have put all this your mixture in, your bottle should not be put on the floor. Yes. So you keep it for 24 hours and then you can start taking it, right? Yes. Now what is the quantity that should be taken?
Yes.
What quantity do we take?
Yeah. So this one is 2. 2 then with milk.
Oh.
With milk, yes. With milk or normal one, we can fill it with milk.
So if I get, is it liquid milk?
Liquid milk, yes.
So I go put liquid milk inside.
Yes, once you put inside the 2 of this one, then when we put the liquid, the sample is just Hollandia, normal Hollandia, liquid Hollandia.
So you carry, you measure two cups, pour them inside bigger cup. Come put what quantity of milk? Everything or half?
Everything now, like. Okay,
come carry liquid milk, or if it be pig milk, or if it be Hollandia, or whichever one. Yes. You carry the milk, you pour inside that bottle. You go mix them.
So once
And
you
then-
turn it, then you drink it.
Then you drink it. And then what happens? How long? How long you should be taking?
Like
How many days a week?
Maybe 3 days in a week is fine.
So you can do this 3 days a week. First thing in the morning
Yes.
and last thing at night.
Yes.
3 days a week.
Yes.
I beg. I dey take God beg you. No go do am every day. Say you want your sperm make it thick. I beg. 3 days a week
So
is okay.
after 2
For
weeks,
how long?
After 2 weeks or let me say 1 week, you see the sperm is
So basically, after
even,
1 week,
yes,
you'll
after
begin to
1 week,
see the difference. But
Difference.
for how long can they take it? When should they stop?
they can. So when they sees that everything is okay, they can stop because it's very very active and effective. It responds to the sperm particles.
So depending on your body system,
depends on the body
you
system.
need to take note of what you are injecting.
Yes.
Once you see say the thing don't balance, everything don't dey kampe, abeg stop. Okay? Except you want make your wife become iya mẹ́ta, iya méjì,
ìyá mẹ́fà, ìyá mẹ́jọ.
Now your business, so I know they there.
So
I know they there. All right, guys. Thank you, Mr. Damilare, for this exposition. We really appreciate your time. So, guys, thank you for staying this long. I hope that you have learned a lot. And for those of you who have this ailment, you have been given a solution. Now, please don't forget, if you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button now. What exactly are you waiting for? Just hit the button. So when we upload something next time, you get to see it first. And then if you've subscribed, please do not forget to like our videos, to share, and to comment. You might just be the lucky winner of our 10,000 Naira grand prize that comes up every month. Well, we'll see you at the next episode. And till then, ciao.